I got the banana pudding matcha ice banner. Hi! So we're gonna go to... But I don't even know what this vlog's about. We'll see what it is.
Dublin, Ireland.
I wish. I'm gonna get us a Guinness. And I'm gonna drink it. Joy. I'm just kidding. I don't know what this vlog is about, but let's just start vlogging. So we're gonna go to Dublin.
Let's get it. What are we gonna do?
Shop till we drop. She's like, I like those words. Okay, bye.
It's Tuesday.
Wait, why am I whispering? Literally, it's not even a library. I don't know why I'd be whispering, bro. But we're at, where are we? HPB. I don't read, so I'm in the game section. She reads though. Clips.
What do you? I'm gonna sound like when I kind of sound like a kitty.
Yale. Yale.
Serena was showing me that.
What does she say? Something, but she kept saying Yale. I'm like, same Yale. Okay, we are back home. Obviously, you can tell by my room, literally. I need to start on my project. A project for what's it called? Physics. This. Hey. Okay, wait. I'm back. So, what we're doing for my physics project is I feel like you can hear this. Is a solar bottle bulb. If you don't know what that is, oh my god, wait, hold on, it literally is gonna look, that's like, there's a perfect picture for this explanation. Literally this project right here. Like, I'm gonna have like 4 different water bottles with different amount of bleach and see how much bleach you would need to have a solar bottle bulb. Like, how much is too much, how much is too little. Like, brain is braining and I'm doing this all alone. So this is fun and it's literally doing like less than a month. Amazing, literally. I think it's been 2 hours. I think I've been working on this. Just like the outside box for 2 hours. And like, I don't even know where this is going because I'm like, I'm so dumb. Like, literally dumb. I'll explain it tomorrow, but like, I'm gonna go sleep now because I'm so tired. But I feel like that Red Bull that I had today is literally still in my system. Maybe. But I'm gonna continue this project tomorrow, and it's like 12 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, I'm gonna sleep. Good morning. I got Jello with me. Anyways, I woke up just now at like 9:10, and then right now I'm eating overnight oats with yogurt, Nutella, and peanut butter. Of course, I'm watching their last days. And then there's Jella. Oh, sleepy puppy. Exactly. So, I finally finished the box. So it was smaller last night, obviously, but I added another panel in this middle area and the top part where the water bottles go through. So I have my little experiment, but I need one more bottle to show my 4 test subjects. Setting this up took longer than I thought it would. Like, my brain does not brain, and nor does my logic in my brain to put something out. It's code. It's not the same. It's not the same. But yes. I forgot I was vlogging. My hands are dirty. But we got in out, in out. Because why not? Yeah, I mean a double because she had a big bag. Hello? My camera, my drone. I do that to Jello when I'm on the call with Alec. I'm like, what?
Oh my god, it's dark. Anyways, right now I'm editing on my phone the other Disney vlog that's hopefully gonna go up this weekend, and watching Sue's old live.
Hey. Okay. It's like literally the next day and I haven't vlogged anything because I genuinely don't know what this vlog is gonna be about. So I'm just like, let's just keep recording and do whatever. But I finished. No, wait. I haven't finished the. What's it called? The project, because I still have to grab the data. And that's really it. But right now, I am feeling a little hungry. And I've been craving this. I'm making mini garlic breads, but with cottage cheese, because I have cottage cheese and I'm trying to use it all up. It's finished, but they don't even taste good and they're dry on the outside because of how much flour I put. I will redo it one day.
City though.
The city, because what's the city? San Francisco.
Is that?
Who 'Cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby.
What are we buying?
What are we buying? I'm hoping to get an Exdonary album.
Hoping.
With a POB.
What's a POB?
Pre-order benefits.
Pre-order benefits. They didn't even pre-order.
They think they did to get it to the store.
To get the benefits.
Yeah. But then they have photoism, so I'm trying to get a frame of Yusu and Ode.
If they have it. It's so gloomy today. Like
Sword me. No sun for the next one.
no sun. Nobody's sun. What I said. Where are you buying from Sephora?
Mama's eyes.
Mama's eyes.
Mama's eyes. Eyebrow stuff.
Mama's eyes.
Her eyebrow stuff.
And I'm just a teenage dirtbag. Should I put my hair up or down? I don't know. My hair's kind of annoying right now. I don't want to cut it until before Canada though. I'm gonna keep growing it out.
Cut it.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Why do we all move?
You wonder what?
Wonder why.
Why?
Why what?
You literally said, I wonder.
Shouldn't start drinking.
I saw someone up there.
There's someone there?
Are we ready to order?
Yes, I am. Can I get a medium Baja Blast?
One medium Baja Blast soda,
And then a medium root beer.
medium root beer.
That'd be all.
Okay. Just those 2 drinks. It's gonna make it 707.
Thank you. Jasmine said, are they open?
707.
Literally said, are you ready?
She's like, oh, she's asking.
Alright, Max first stopped and then me.
Seriously, because what? What was that? Did you not see it? Oh, the crow's like, my bad. Girl, it wasn't your fault.
Simply Lovely was a little too...
It wasn't your fault. The curb
It just
decided.
popped out of nowhere.
Yeah, the curb decided to be there. Like, that wasn't your
It
fault.
was like, I was gonna have a good night. The curb said no.
He said, yeah, totally have a good night. Juke.
Simply, that was not Simply, nor Lovely. I'm telling you, we're funny off camera.
Never mind. We're never gonna vlog.
Ah! Hey.
Oh, you know what? Maybe I should have gotten a straw to mix it.
Anywho, we went to, I don't know if it's called Sarah tea, like ceremonial tea, Sarah tea.
Should have gotten a straw.
Anyways, I got the banana pudding matcha drink. It's very green, nice color, and then the syrup at the bottom. But let's try the top. That is good banana
The
pudding.
banana.
I haven't tried the matcha yet. I need lactate. Or lactose intolerant.
Very straw.
She needs a
mixed it. Can I use yours?
I don't care if they mix. They're kind of the same thing.
I have this. It's okay.
Latte. Here's latte.
This is when you're. Did you use whole milk?
You put whole milk. I put whole milk.
Hojicha something. I forgot what it was. Wait.
Koto?
Kokuto. Hojicha
Hojicha.
Einspanner. Einspanner. It's just $1 bill, Daisy.
That's good. Yeah, I got the banana pudding matcha Einspanner. The banana's good. You like it?
I'm mixing this maybe later. Ooh.
I'm not a big fan of hojicha because of what I used to drink at work. It was an okay hojicha, but I've been trying hojicha at other places. It looks like coffee.
Yeah, the brown sugar is not. It is toasty. I
Did you try
kind of like
hojicha?
it. Like burnt.
It tastes good with brown sugar.
Yeah, that's why they would get the review.
What it tastes like? Sushi. Tastes like cooked sushi.
Did we always say matcha tastes fishy?
It depends. To me, ceremonial matcha doesn't really taste like sushi. It's not. But that one tastes like.
Well, I like sushi, so that would be good.
It's so close.
I have to clean that out.
Now let's try my Einspanner matcha. Guys, this is all we drive for, okay? This is why I got a license. To try things around the bay.
Is there matcha strong?
The sugar. Their matcha is not strong. Look, I got light green. It was dark green. Then turned light. It doesn't taste like that fishy matcha.
Do you taste the banana?
Not mixed with it. Not mixed with the matcha. It just tastes like matcha.
I don't taste the matcha.
Okay, bye.
the whole
We're gonna go home.